We have another print today. This one took me just over uh 18 hours. I think it said 20 hours to be complete, but it was 18 hours and it came out pretty darn good. The details were amazing and I was super happy with this print. Now the fun part, breaking off all my supports. They came off pretty easy actually, except for this part right here. Uh, I had to pull pretty hard. No, not this part. These just snapped off like a breeze. I had to do a little bit of cleanup, but overall, they pretty much came out cleanly without too much fuss. I had to put a little extra oomph on it for that one, but it came out pretty clean inside as well. Now this is looking real nice. Real nice. Super impressed with the print. You know I had to jazz it up a little bit and give it a little detail with the paint. Yeah, that's Black Panther. My second print. So I had to go ahead and make a stand for it as well. Let me know what I should print next, because this one is A plus. I love it so much. There it is.